Good morning, children. All of you open your social textbook. So, in this class, we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 11. So, open your textbook, children, all of you. What is lesson number 11? Our national, our national symbols. Open your textbook, all of you. See, children, once I will read the lesson. You have to listen carefully. Lesson number 11, our national symbols. National symbols of India depict the country's image and have been chosen very carefully. The national animal, tiger symbolizes power. The national flower, lotus symbolizes purity. The national tree, banyan symbolizes immortality. The national bird, peacock symbolizes elegance. And the national fruit, mango symbolizes the tropical climate of India. Similarly, our national song and national anthem were a source of inspiration during the freedom struggle. The national emblem of India depicts four lions standing back to back, symbolizing power, courage, pride, and confidence. Hockey was its peak when it was adopted as the national game of India. Here is some more information about the national symbols of India. Fact finder, see the blue box. National symbols of India depict the country's image and have been chosen very carefully. National flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron, kesari at the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2 to 3. In the center of white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. The top saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green shows the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. Its design is that of the wheel which appears on the abacus of the Saranath lion, capital of Ashoka. Its diameter approximates to the width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22 July 1947. Follow rules when hoisting the flag. When the national flag is raised, the saffron colored band should be at the top. No flag or emblem should be placed either above national flag or to its right. All other flags should be placed to the left of the national flag if they are hung in a line. When the national flag is carried in a procession or parade, it shall be on the marching right or in front of the center of the line. If there is a line of other flags. Next, normally the national flag should be flown over important government buildings like the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament House, the Supreme Court of India, the High Courts, the Secretariats, the Commissioner's Office, etc. The national flag or any imitation of adaptation from the Saranath lion, capital of Ashoka. In the originally, there are four lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a fiercely carrying sculptures in high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull, and a lion separated by intervening wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. Carved out of a single block of polished sandstone, the capital is crowned by the wheel of the law, Dharmachakra. The hammer was actually adopted by the Indian government with lot of honor on 26 January 1950. However, the representative and official symbol displays 3 out of the 4 lions along with the famous Dharmachakra right in the center of base personality. Presently, a bull and horse accompany the lions at both the sides. The bright and prominent praise Satyameva Jayate in the Devanagari script of India had been imposed on the base. A powerful and dignified had a truth-hallowed trips has been demonstrated for the people of India. Next, National Anthem. The National Anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the National Anthem of India on 24 January 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Kolkata session of the Indian National Congress. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. The 5 stanzas contain the full version of the national anthem. Playing time of the full version of the national anthem is approximately 52 seconds. Short version consisting of the first and last lines of the stanzas, playing time approximately 20 seconds, is also played on a certain occasion. जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. So this is our national anthem. No? Next is national song. The song Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people in their struggle for freedom. It has an equal status with Janaganamana. On January 24, 1950, the President Dr. Rajendra Prasad came up with a statement in his Constituent Assembly. The song Vande Mataram, which has played a historic part in the struggle for Indian freedom, shall be honored equally with Janaganamana and shall have equal status with it. Initially, Vande Mataram was the national anthem of India, but after independence, Jana Gana Mana was adopted as the national anthem. national game. National game. Which is our national game? Hockey. National animal, fruit, tree, game, national bird. Which is our national bird? Peacock. National flower, lotus. National flower is lotus. So there, like this, there is some national symbols. So you already learned in the previous class also. So national flag. So how many colors are there in our national flag? Which colors are in our national flag again? There are three colors. Three colors are there in our national flag. No. So which are the three colors? One is saffron. Saffron is which color? Kesari. Saffron is kesari color. So next, second one is white. The third one is green. So these are the colors of our national flag. So in between white, what is there? There is the Ashoka Chakra. No? So this is our national flag. So what about the national symbols indicates? National symbols of India depict the country's image and have been chosen very carefully. The national animal tiger symbolizes power. Our national animal indicates the power of the country. So the like the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament House, the Supreme Court of India, the High Courts, the Secretariats, the Commissioner of Office, etc. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು on the government building. ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಭವನ್, ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the national flag or any imitation of it must not be used for the purpose of trade, business or profession. We should not use our national flag for our trade purpose or business purpose. Next, the national flag should always be taken down in the evening at sunset. Now flag ಮಾಡಿ sunset ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು flag ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. Next, national emblem. So from where we have adopted the national emblem? It has adapted from the Saranath lion, capital of Ashoka. So how many lions are there? Four-headed lions standing back to back. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು lions ಇದೆ? Four-headed lions. ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು back direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ for this another one to this side is one and to this side is one. So ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? In the down at the bottom there is a dharma chakra and bullock